Hi, my loves. Your favorite skincare bestie is here again. It's me, Amarachi Favy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if today is the very first day you're seeing my face on your screen, you are welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you the steps and the products to use to safely lighten up your skin. You remember that lightening is different from brightening, okay? Lightening and brightening are not same, okay? Lightening is when you want to change your complexion, you want to, change your complexion to look lighter than the way it used to be. While brightening is if you want that glow, you want to be radiant, you want your skin to pop. But today's video, I'll be teaching you how to lighten your skin in the safest way possible, because some people here have been making demands that I should make a video on how to safely lighten your skin. Okay, and today I'm making that video. So if this kind of video is the kind of video that you have been waiting for on this channel, do well to sit back and enjoy. So the very first thing I want you to know when it comes to lightening your skin is that it's actually going to take time. But with these particular products I'm going to be recommending, and if you follow the routine as I'm going to instruct in this video, you are going to be lightening up your skin in 2 weeks. Okay, and this particular routine would lighten you up without leaving dark knuckles on your body, because I'll be telling you the safest way to apply the products and how to apply the products and when to apply the products. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, so the first thing I'll be letting you know is that when you want to lighten your skin, you're going to be needing a pre-cleansing soap. And for pre-cleansing soap, we always use a mild soap. So even if you want to lighten your skin or brighten your skin, use a mild soap to pre-cleanse your skin. Pre-cleansing will help to get rid of the dirt and the oil that is already on the skin and wash them away, so that other products that you would use would work and work effectively. Like it will be working on a neat or clean skin. Remember that I said in my past videos that products will not work if your skin is dirty. And for pre-cleansing soap, I normally recommend this particular one from Couson. This is Couson baby soap. This soap is actually mild and gentle. It actually moisturizes your skin and just wash away all the impurities and any other dirt that is on the skin. Keep your skin clean. That is just the work of this soap. It will not lighten you, it will not brighten you. It just helps to wash your skin and keep your skin to be moisturized. Okay, the next product I want to be telling you about is this particular E45 soap. This particular E45 soap is 3 times carrot whitening, purifying and exfoliating soap that is enriched with alpha arbutin. This particular soap would help you to lighten your skin. It will help to lighten your skin because it contains alpha arbutin, and alpha arbutin will help you to get rid of dark spots that is on your body, any discoloration that is on your skin. This alpha arbutin that is in this particular soap would help you to get rid of them. This soap exfoliates your skin, okay? It helps to exfoliate your skin. And you know, when you want to lighten your body, you'll be needing exfoliating products that would exfoliate your skin. And this soap does that, okay? It exfoliates your skin without drying or irritating it. That is what it says on the body. It cleanses and moisturizes and also soothes your skin with natural carrots. It contains carrots, and we know that carrot is a brightening agent and also a whitening agent. It depends on the amount that was added into the product that will make it to actually be a brightening or a lightening agent. But in this particular soap, it contains a good number of carrots, a good amount of carrots that would help you to lighten your skin in no due time. Do you understand? So the next product I'll be recommending for you will have to be a body wash. And for body washes, I will recommend the SK Duchess Glow Body Wash. This particular body wash would help to lighten your skin because it also contains alpha arbutin, and it would help to exfoliate your skin. Okay, it safely lightens the skin, and this particular body wash is very, very good when it comes to like skin lightening. It helps to lighten your skin and give you that tone that you are looking for. So when it comes to how you're going to use this particular product, I would say you use your bar soap in the morning, okay, because it does not contain like much lightening agents like the body wash, and then you use your body wash, the SK Duchess Glow Body Wash, at night. You use the body wash at night and then you use this particular one in the morning. But remember that before you use either the body wash or the bar soap, then you're going to be pre-cleansing your body using this pre-cleansing soap from Couson or Johnson, any product, any brand, even Dove, anyone that you can lay your hands on. As long as the soap is mild and it is gentle and it will deeply moisturize your skin, you will do that first before you use your bar soap or your body wash. I don't know if you're understanding my point, okay? So the second thing I want you to know when you want to like lighten your skin is that you're going to be needing a body scrub in your routine. And for body scrub, I will recommend the Alpha Arbutin Dr. Meinear body scrub. I have the particular body scrub myself, although I, bring it to this video, but I'll be inserting a picture so that you see the particular body scrub that I'm talking about. This particular body scrub also contains alpha arbutin, and it would help to brighten your skin. It would help to get rid of dead skin cell and give you a fresh looking skin. If you exfoliate your skin 2 times in a week, you'll be noticing that your products will be sinking into your body and they'll be working and be working effectively. So when it comes to using that particular scrub, I would say that whenever you're using it, please focus on your knuckles, because these are the areas that actually get difficult to brighten, okay? So I will be saying that you should focus more on your knuckles, on your knee, your elbow, and also when you're using your products, when you're using your soap, also focus more on your knuckles, on your knee, and your elbow, okay? So that you would get a same skin tone when it comes to lightening. When you are lightening, you'll be lightening the same way, like you'll be lightening on the same level, not your face is lighter and your knuckles are darker. You will not be getting that kind of result if you focus more on your knuckles whenever you are using any of your body care products. So the next product that I'll be recommending for you would have to be a body lotion, okay? Now you are done bathing and you'll be needing a body lotion that would help you to lighten properly, okay? And for body lotions, I'll be recommending Lumine. This is Lumine Carrot Face and Body Lotion, okay? This is extra strong whitening, 3-in-1. Body works with glutathione, and glutathione helps when it comes to like lightening your body. Glutathione, carrot oil, and tomato, okay? And we know that tomato is also a lightening agent. It whitens the body, it firms the body, and contains 50 SPF, meaning that this particular body lotion already contains sunscreen. But I will not recommend that you use this particular lotion in the morning. Please use it only at night. Use this lotion only at night because it highly lightens the skin, and some of the ingredients that it contains would react with the sun and you will not like the after effect on your skin, okay? So do not just mind what they wrote here that it contains 50 SPF, fine, but use it at night, okay? So it naturally whitens, fade dark spots, improves complexion, good for all skin type. And this product is actually NAFDAC registered. See their NAFDAC number. Let me read what is written on the body. Lumine Carrot Face and Body Whitening Lotion is a whitening and non-greasy blend of natural plant extract and high grade of all natural pure glutathione, tomato, and carrot, which is known for its excellent whitening effect. If you know that glutathione, tomato, and carrot contains lightening agent, and this lotion has a very light consistency. As you can see, it is dropping freely on my skin, and it is lightweight. It actually absorbs quickly onto your body. So when you are done bathing on a damp skin, not a dry skin, you are going to be moisturizing this lotion on your skin. Focus more on your knuckles, you focus more on your elbow, your knee, and then gently massage in circular motions until the products have already sank into your skin properly. So this product like sinks into the skin like ASAP as soon as possible. I'm going to massage it onto my hand so that you will see like what I'm trying to explain. It will help you to achieve a lighter skin tone and also give you that glow that you are looking for. Remember what I said, you're going to apply this on a damp skin and you're going to use it only at night. Please use it only at night, okay? So on this channel, we do what is called locking in extra moisture. Okay, for locking in extra moisture, I will recommend that you go for the Veet Gold Turmeric body oil, or you go for the Veet Gold Alpha Arbutin 3 times body oil. But remember, like I said, because it contains all these great lightening agents, Alpha Arbutin will help to lighten your body, and the turmeric in this Veet Gold turmeric oil will also help to lighten your body. So whichever one you can lay your hands on is fine. And remember what I said, please use them only at night. Use them only at night, please. When you are done using your body lotion, you will lock in extra moisture, you will lock in, seal in all the ingredients from the body lotion using your body oil. These body oils lightens the skin like ASAP, and they would help to lock in the moisture and the ingredients from the body lotion, and it will also aid in your skin lightening. Okay, yes. So if you are asking which body lotion will I use in the morning, since I cannot use the body lotion and the body oil in the morning, which body lotion can I use in the morning? I would say just get a normal moisturizing body lotion like Dove. Okay, you can get Dove invigorating care body lotion. That way you are safe. You use that one in the morning, and then you use these ones I said in the night. This will be your treatment, and it will help to lighten your skin in no due time. If you follow all the instructions I have given, and if you follow all the steps that I have also given, you will be noticing that your skin will be lighter in 2 weeks. Yes, in 2 weeks, you are going to have a lighter skin that would be glowy, and you also be lightening the safe way. Okay, your skin will be brighter and your skin will be the same skin tone. Okay, that is the main thing that I want you to achieve when you are lightening your body, to have a same skin tone. Okay, yes. So if you have watched this particular point of the video and you have learned something from this video, and this video like taught you something that you did not know in the past, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It helps me to know that you are loving the contents I'm putting up here. Remember to like this video and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And also share this video to someone that you know that maybe wants to lighten her skin or his skin the safest way possible. Okay, and until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.